I am SISA GREY, and welcome to my world.
We are Samoa, people from the sun.
The freshest member in my family would definitely have to be Dad. I mean, God, she's from Upolu. Just plays his guitar everywhere. He's in everybody's house playing something, you know.
Teach the world humanity.
I do have a creative family, now that I think of it. My sister Julie, she's a singer. My brother Teeny, he is a musician. SISA GREY, water boy for Common Kings. I'm kidding, guitarist for Common Kings. Dad, of course, is very talented. I don't need to talk about Dad. Mom, she's actually a painter. Were you a pilot? My son loves watching airplanes. Some of the things have been Days of Our Lives. That was a special moment for me because I used to watch that all the time in Upolu when Mom and Dad were asleep. Turn the TV on quietly.
All right, let's turn. Hey!
No sudden moves.
That wasn't a sudden move.
Grey's Anatomy was a big one for me because I got to work with such an amazing woman cast.
Okay, we need a little privacy.
That's strictly against protocol.
Can we at least shut the door?
No.
Hawaii Five-0, of course. That was a good one. That was my first one. It was going back home to Hawaii. I say home because Hawaii is a big part of my life. I did The Descendants with George Clooney. I would say that was my first big starstruck moment, but wasn't starstruck. I keep it professional. 5, 6, 7, 8. How do I deal with my cultural, or too low, or respect, you know? At first, when I used to start, I used to walk into the audition room, too low, too low. And then I had to understand that, okay, I have to put aside culture and work. So I had to separate the two. So from then on, I just felt myself growing as an artist and removing the Samoa. But it's always in my heart. You can't get rid of the Samoa. But I had to just step aside for the respectful part and be this thing, and then come back to being myself and the respectful side. I have four children, and they changed my life big time. It keeps me grounded. I think if I did not have the children, I don't know where my mind would be and my type of lifestyle, the lifestyle I would have lived. My son's in a middle school play. He auditioned for it and never told me anything about it, so he got this part, didn't know it was a lead. So we're about to go watch him perform in this amazing play called Music Man Jr.
Now, I knew all you folks are the right kind of parents. I'm gonna be perfectly frank.
I was so proud today. It was definitely a proud moment because my son is not the actor. He's not any of that. I mean, I ask him at home, honey, how was your day? Good. Honey, hey, how was rehearsals? Good. That's as much as I got. So today was really, really something special.
You're so special, baby.
Family is everything. I don't think a poly can not say that. I think every poly would say family is everything.